Top 5 Best Sump Pumps for Crawl Space Reviews. 1. Crawl Space Sump Pump with Kit. 2. Little Giant CSSS 115 volt, 1/3 of a horsepower, 3000 GPH prepackaged automatic crawl space sump system. 3. Liberty Pumps CSB 237 pump, one size, bra. 4. Liberty Pumps CSB 237 crawl space 1/3 of a horsepower poly/aluminum sump boom. 5. Basement Watchdog Blade 1000 gallons per hour Basement Watchdog emergency backup sump pump. 1. Crawl space sump pump with kit. Specification. Brand, Zoller. Color, black. Material, polyethylene basin. Style, sump pump. Item dimensions, LXWXH 16.5 by 16.4 by 21.9 inches. Power source, AC/DC. Item weight, 32 pounds. 2. Little Giant CSSS 115 volt, 1/3 of a horsepower, 3000 GPH prepackaged automatic crawl space sump system. Specification. Brand, Little Giant. Color, blue/black. Material, polyethylene, structural foam, cast iron. Style, prepackaged sump system. Item dimensions, LXWXH 21 by 21 by 22.1 inches. Power source, corded electric. Item weight, 41 pounds. Maximum flow rate, 50 gallons per minute. 3. Liberty Pumps CSB 237 pump, one size, gray. Specification. Brand, Liberty Pumps. Color, gray. Style, sump pump. Item dimensions, LXWXH 10 by 10 by 13 inches. Power source, AC. Item weight, 20 pounds. 4. Liberty Pumps CSB 237 crawl space 1/3 of a horsepower poly/aluminum sump pump. Specification. Brand, Liberty Pumps. Material, aluminum. Style, sump pump. Power source, battery powered. 5. Basement Watchdog Blade 1000 gallons per hour Basement Watchdog emergency backup sump pump. Specification. Brand, the Basement Watchdog. Color, black. Material, thermoplastic. Style, solid. Item dimensions, LXWXH 4.5 by 8.5 by 6.5 inches. Power source, air powered. Item weight, 4.1 kilograms. Maximum flow rate, 1000 gallons per minute.